you're thinking about getting into dropshipping and you're probably wondering what the best time to jump in is, well, it's right now, Q4, the last 3 months of the year, starting on October 1st and ending on December 31st. And Q4 is an absolute gold mine. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know before the holiday season kicks into full gear. We're talking Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. This is when shoppers are buying like crazy. But with great opportunity comes great competition. And if you're not prepared, you could miss out on the biggest sales period of the year. So subscribe, only 40 away from 1K, drop a like, and let's get straight to it. Now, Q4 is not some magical hack that automatically makes your first dropshipping store print money. Neither does it mean that everything you do will be profitable. There is way more competition during Q4 than any other time of the year, and if you go in without being prepared, the competition is going to crush you. This is the time of the year when people who have already been making money throughout the other quarters finally see their big months, and this is when those people who have been failing consistently, putting in the work and learning from their failures, finally get their big break. So you should have already identified a winning product before Q4 and be ready to scale it, because I know I have. Now let's go in depth into why each of these major Q4 holidays are going to do well. Starting off with Black Friday. It's no secret that this is the biggest day for commerce, because Black Friday ain't just another regular sale. It's the Super Bowl of shopping. Millions of shoppers are searching for deals, and the urgency of limited time offers creates purchasing intent like crazy. And as I mentioned earlier, for almost all e-commerce brands, Black Friday is when they generate their highest revenue numbers. So if you're serious about dropshipping, you need to have your offers and marketing angles already dialed in for Black Friday in advance. Next, Cyber Monday. While Black Friday mostly focuses on sales in general, Cyber Monday is all about e-commerce sales. This is the perfect time to launch those exclusive online-only offers for tech-crazy enthusiasts. So of course you'll be better off selling a more functional product, electric, hence the name Cyber, and I guarantee by doing that you'll see the largest amount of success on Cyber Monday. And one extra tip, the days between Black Friday and Cyber Monday can be a major profit window, but only if you play your cards right. Next, Christmas. This is when last-minute shoppers are hunting for deals in order to get a gift for someone that they love. And the urgency of getting those orders in time for the holiday is key. If you can position your product as a perfect gift, even if it's for co-workers, family or friends, you're setting yourself up for massive success. But keep in mind, shipping times are critical during this period. If you're dropshipping, make sure to clearly communicate shipping times in order to avoid chargebacks and refunds, leading to a bad customer experience, and you will never get a single returning customer. And lastly, New Year's. Now this is more than a holiday. It's more like a time when people are getting ready for the New Year's and setting their New Year's resolution. And you'll want to adjust your marketing to reflect that shift. Products related to health, fitness, organization, and self-improvement really do well around this time. Because for example, everyone always says, I want to start going to the gym at the start of the year. So you could easily sell them a gym product. And if the product you're already running all Q4 is in a niche that fits one of these categories, then just capitalize on the New Year's mindset to carry on that success from New Year's and ride the profit wave. But above all, Black Friday is the main event of Q4, because it's not just a one-day sale, it's a gateway to setting up your store for success throughout the whole holiday season. If you can nail your Black Friday strategy, you create momentum that carries into Cyber Monday, Christmas, and into the new year. That's why preparing ahead and having clear marketing and a clear product plan is absolutely essential. And I recommend you to start selling Black Friday products right now. A common mistake that everyone else makes is going all out on their offer ads and angles, make them all perfect, only to upload them for a website that looks like this. Honestly, are you going to do all that work just to let yourself down on the one page that's going to allow your customers to give you their money? Because they're already interested, man. They clicked on your ad. To make professional branded dropshipping stores, we build our websites using the Beautify theme. And it is simply among one of the best Shopify themes due to the amount of inbuilt features it has. If you didn't know, having multiple apps on your Shopify store significantly drains your speed score. Meanwhile, the Beautify solution to this is by having all of these apps included in one app, which is the Beautify app. In my tutorial, which will pop up around here, I'll show you how to create a high converting dropshipping website using the Beautify. You can head to the Beautify using the link in the description down below to get a 30-day free trial, and once that 30-day free trial ends, use code Nathan20 to get 20% off for 3 months. These shades got delivered mid-video, so I'm just gonna wear them from now on. But for my product research, I always use Mynea. Mynea is a database of tens of millions of ads and products that allows you to research, analyze, source and export your products all from one single platform. I do have my own custom filter I use to find products, along with a tutorial which will show up over here to show you guys how to use Mynea to find winning products, just like I did, that get me sales literally within the first day of testing. To make it easier for you guys to find the best products, you can use my code NATE20 at checkout to get 20% off both the starter and the premium plans. And I leave a link to Mynea in the description and the pinned comment down below. Now, number 3, you need to have backups of everything during Q4. Banned accounts and restricted assets will be happening constantly, especially on Facebook. Even if you do nothing wrong, your competitors can get insiders to ban you anyways. In order to survive and thrive, you need systems in place. Make a backup business manager, ad accounts, Facebook pixels, landing pages, even ads. Be prepared for the worst. Even a backup supplier, because you could get your biggest sales day, imagine $20,000 in sales halfway through Black Friday. Then your supplier DMs you saying, yo bro, we have to cancel all of the orders because I'll run out of stock. Because truth turns out he ain't really your private supplier, but you're sharing him with all the other competitors selling the same product as you. And in that position, you're fucked. But luckily for you, you watch Nate2 paid. So you already know in advance not to make such a stupid mistake and get those backups up and ready. The last fundamental you need to know before Q4 is you're going to have to spend more money on ads. And this is for 2 reasons. One, it's Q4 and all the competitors know that right now people are buying things like crazy. So of course they're going to all be increasing their ad spend in order to capture all these impulse purchases. 2, it's an election year. And if you look back at any election year before, the CPMs have always risen. And additionally, it's going to be harder because political parties are pumping hundreds of millions of dollars into these ad campaigns so that their ads can be shown all over. So you will need a higher ad spend to compete with the higher CPMs. And thus, I would recommend a budget of $300 for each test you do. Now, one additional tip is your data analysis needs to be on point. Most people carry out one test and then switch the product when the issue could have been their ads, their angle, their offer, their website. Because just testing a product with one variable, throwing it away and moving on to the next one is a kind of regurgitated bullshit that all other dropshipping gurus are telling you. And it's simply not true. You're gonna drain your money and then you're gonna go and say dropshipping is dead. And listen, do not make decisions based off of personal thoughts. You don't know anything. Listen to the data. Listen to the ad metrics and deal with the root of the problem, not the result. Now guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like one-on-one coaching, you can come and DM me on Instagram at ecom_Nate2paid. The price is gonna go up once Q4 starts, so make sure to DM me now to lock in that price. Remember guys, all the links to the softwares I mentioned will be in the description and the pinned comment. And everybody, please subscribe. At the moment, we're like 42 subs away from hitting 1,000 subscribers. And y'all want to get that monetization, bro. She's gonna be crazy on the channel. So support my journey. Let's get further. And until next time, keep grinding, never give up, and stay consistent. Q4 is here. Let's make some money, y'all.